Jupyter Notebook tool in artificial intelligence. AI beginner level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence and machine learning development often require experimentation, data analysis, visualization, and code execution. One of the most widely used tools for this purpose is Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook provides an interactive environment where developers can write code, visualize data, document their work, and test machine learning models in one place. It is widely used in data science, machine learning development, AI research, education and teaching, data analysis projects. Jupyter Notebook makes it easier for beginners and experts to explore data and build machine learning models step by step. What is Jupyter Notebook? Jupyter Notebook is an open-source web-based interactive development environment used for writing and executing code, visualizing results, and documenting data science workflows. In simple words, Jupyter Notebook equals an interactive coding environment for data science and AI. Example concept: code plus data plus visualization plus notes means Jupyter Notebook. It allows developers to combine code, text, and visualizations in a single document. Why Jupyter Notebook is popular? Jupyter Notebook is widely used because it offers several advantages. Key benefits include interactive code execution, easy visualization of results, support for multiple programming languages, integration with AI libraries, ability to document projects with text and images. Example concept: interactive environment means faster experimentation means better AI development. Because of these benefits, Jupyter Notebook has become a standard tool for data science and machine learning. How Jupyter Notebook works. Jupyter Notebook organizes code and content into cells. Each cell can contain code, text documentation, mathematical formulas, visualizations. Example concept: notebook means multiple cells means code execution plus explanations. Cells allow developers to execute code step by step. Types of cells in Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook mainly contains two types of cells. Code cells. Code cells are used to write and execute programming code. Example Python code. Print hello AI. When executed, the output appears directly below the cell. Markdown cells. Markdown cells allow developers to write formatted text. These cells can include headings, bullet points, images, links, mathematical formulas. Example concept: Markdown means explanations means better documentation. Markdown helps explain code and document experiments. Interactive data analysis. Jupyter Notebook allows developers to analyze datasets interactively. Example concept: dataset means analysis means visualization means insights. Developers can run code step by step and immediately see results. This makes it easier to explore datasets, test machine learning models, debug errors. Data visualization in Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook works well with visualization libraries. Common libraries include Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly. Example concept: data means visualization means graphs and charts. Visualizations help developers understand patterns in data. Integration with machine learning libraries. Jupyter Notebook integrates easily with popular machine learning libraries. Examples include NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch. Example concept: dataset means ML library means model training inside Notebook. This makes Jupyter Notebook a powerful environment for building and testing AI models. Jupyter Notebook workflow. A typical machine learning workflow in Jupyter Notebook looks like this: load dataset, down pointing arrow, explore data, down pointing arrow, pre-process data, down pointing arrow, train model, Down pointing arrow. Evaluate model. Down pointing arrow. Visualize results. Each step can be implemented using different cells. Running Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook runs in a web browser but executes code on the local machine or server. Typical workflow. Install Jupyter means launch Notebook means browser interface. Common command to start Jupyter. Jupyter Notebook. This command opens the Jupyter interface in a browser. Example Python code in Jupyter Notebook. Example loading a dataset using pandas. Import pandas as PD. Example viewing dataset. Data. Head. Example training a machine learning model. From sklearn. Linear_model import linear regression. Jupyter Notebook allows developers to run these commands interactively. Advantages of Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook offers many benefits for AI development. Advantages include interactive experimentation, easy visualization, strong documentation capability, integration with AI libraries, rapid prototyping. Example concept. Interactive experimentation means faster ML development. This makes it ideal for research and learning. Limitations of Jupyter Notebook. Although powerful, Jupyter Notebook has some limitations. These include not ideal for large production systems, harder to manage large projects, version control challenges. Example concept. Notebook environment means experimentation means not production deployment. For production AI systems, developers often use Python scripts or APIs. Real-world applications. Jupyter Notebook is widely used across many industries. Data science. Exploring and analyzing large datasets. Machine learning. Training and evaluating models. Education. Teaching AI and data science concepts. Research. Testing experimental machine learning algorithms. Business analytics. Analyzing customer and financial data. Concepts learned from Jupyter Notebook. Understanding Jupyter Notebook helps beginners learn. Checkmark how to run Python code interactively. Checkmark how to analyze datasets step by step. Checkmark how to visualize data and results. Checkmark how machine learning experiments are performed. Checkmark how AI workflows are documented. Jupyter Notebook is one of the most important tools for learning AI and data science. Simple definition. Jupyter Notebook. An interactive web-based environment used for writing code, analyzing data, visualizing results, and documenting machine learning workflows. Final summary. Jupyter Notebook is a powerful interactive tool widely used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. It allows developers to combine code, documentation, and visualizations in a single environment. By enabling step-by-step experimentation and analysis, Jupyter Notebook helps researchers and developers explore data, build models, and communicate results effectively. Understanding Jupyter Notebook is an important step for beginners learning AI development and data science workflows.